Hi everyone, it's Andrew Nagel, Valk9 Designs, and I recently had a Patreon request from Jamie Rotolo, asking how I would go about doing earrings. So I figured I would show you all two different ways on how I do earrings. This first way is going to be a soldered thing, as you can see right here. Basically what I do is, with my little earring frame as you see there, I just connect a little loop to the top of that with the earring hook that I'll put a Rio Grande item number in the description for you all as well for that. But it's all sterling silver. The hook is stamped sterling, so you don't really have to worry about stamping the rest of it. And so, as you can see here, I just use some heat, fuse it together. This is Argentium silver. The hook is sterling, so it won't fuse to that little bail thing we made. And yeah, that's why I like to use the Argentium silver, especially when you get a batch of it like this. It just fuses together very nicely. You can see the stamp on the inside, and that earring frame is ready to rock and roll. So here's the other way you can do it if you don't have access to a soldering station and stuff like that. Basically, on one side of the frame, you're going to want to attach another thick gauge of square wire. I used 18 gauge square for this example. I would recommend using the 21 gauge square. So the first thing you're going to do is form this little loop here. After you've formed that loop, then you can bring your earring hook down to the loop, attach it on, make sure it's facing the right way, and then go ahead and attach that other end to your frame. And then you're going to want to make sure it's all tight and that your loop is shaped the way that you want. But yeah, so there's basically the two ways that I would do this. I recommend soldering because it's all, you know, nice and smooth and there's less connection points, so you can add more wires to the frame. But yeah, so these would be the two ways that I would do it. I would use maybe a smaller, like 21 gauge wire for your top loop if you're going to be doing a frame. Again, I like the soldered version because it just is more flush. And yeah, so I hope this was helpful for you, Jamie, and I hope everyone else, I hope this inspires you to start making some earrings. I know I'm going to finish these off next week for you all, and so be on the lookout for that video where I do some detailing on these, and that'll be kind of the second part of the earring tutorial. So thanks everyone, I hope you have a great weekend, and Jamie, I hope this helped you.